A Kominka, a real piece of architectural heritage in Japan, selling for $1,400. There are 6 points to know when buying a Kominka. Let me share them with you. First, location. Kominka is often found in smaller towns. When people think of Japan, they may first imagine the overcrowded cities and high-tech places. But similar to many countries, there are places where life is a bit slow, with scenic natural beauty and space. Those are the locations where I often find Kominka. It will be good to think about accessibility, transportation, and proximity to essential services like schools and hospitals. Next, condition. Kominkas need repair. Definitely. They will have rotten wood, termite damage, leaking roofs, or foundation issues, and it is often difficult to detect them because damaged areas may have been covered by more modern materials such as drywall, flooring, wallpaper, and laminated sheets. Some homes may require significant renovations, so it is good to have a professional inspector. Third, infrastructure. This is a big one. When buying a Kominka, you'll need to confirm details about connections to modern infrastructure. Water, electricity, and internet lines are typically less of an issue, but some Kominkas have independent gas and sewage systems. You may be legally required to update them for safety and hygienic standards, and this can easily cost thousands of dollars. Fourth, climate. Japan has a diverse climate, and this will play a big role in your experience with a traditional home. Most Kominkas are not insulated. It's hot in summer and cold in winter. Extra care is necessary in heavy snow regions. Proper ventilation design is essential for hot, humid summer. So we need to think about how the local climate will impact our comfort and any maintenance we need to do throughout the year. Fifth, cost. While the initial price may be low, the recent change in the real estate commission fees can impact the overall price. Previously, the commission fee was 3 to 5% of the property price. As of July 2024, the commission fee for properties under 8 million yen is now a flat rate of 330,000 yen maximum. This means that for a house priced at $1,400, the commission fee alone is more than the purchase price. Also, the additional expenses include notary fees, property taxes, insurance, and of course, the renovation costs. The initial low price sounds wonderful, but don't ignore the associated costs. Finally, legal. One of the tricky aspects of buying an old property in Japan is dealing with unclear boundaries. For example, this is a map of a land register. It does not clearly show where houses or streets are because this is a copy of the original register issued probably more than 130 years ago. In addition, certain properties are legally not allowed to be sold, so it's essential to consult an expert who can help you navigate these legal issues. So, there you have it. Location, condition, infrastructure, climate, cost, and legal. 6 key points to look for when buying a Kominka. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. They'll be very much appreciated. If you have any questions, please write them below. Useful links are included in the description box. They'll be updated accordingly. In future episodes, we'll show more about the specific house we are planning to purchase for $1,400. From this, we hope that others can gain first-hand insight into the purchasing processes and how matters are handled in Japan. Enjoy your search for your perfect Kominka. They are waiting for you. I'm Ken, and thank you for watching Kominka.